and I'm rocking with STLHipHop.com.
Man, newest signee to Boosie Badasses label, man. Tell everybody how that came about and the hit record, Me and My Dogs.
Man, me and Boosie went together on tour, and then we hit this hot ass record together. I already had the record originally, and I put him on the remix. It's called My Dog. That motherfucker did 3 million views in 40 hours on World Star. We booming. We killing it, man. We doing tours. I done seen cities I ain't never thought or imagined I'd see. Shout out to Boosie Badass. He really rocks me. That's my big brother, man.
Man, give me a little bit of advice for these up-and-coming artists, man. How did you grind, man? Like, is it...
Instead of paying money to perform in your own city, pay some money and perform in a different city that in front of people that don't know you, because they'll love you. If you perform in your hometown, they love you, but they know you as who you are. They you know what I'm saying? They don't respect. They respect you, but they don't love you as the artist. They respect you as your cousin or your auntie. You know what I'm saying? That's how they respect you. But if you were performing somewhere else in another city, they know you as the artist. That's all they know about you. That's why I get more. I mean, I get the most love at home, but I definitely get treated way different when I'm out of town. You feel what I'm saying?
Oh, definitely, man. So I mean, coming out of Topeka, man. Is there anybody that paved the way out of Topeka for you, man? Or are you the first?
Man, I'm one of the first, man. There's artists I look up to that I watched before me. Like when I was a young kid, there was an artist named Burner Block I used to watch, and Evil Low from Topeka. But in this new age, I'm the man, and I'm proud to say that I'm putting Topeka on the map, and I'm the first person to take it mainstream like this.
All right, my nigga, you the man, so shout out to Instagram, Twitter, and everything.
785 all day, man. I love 785. And you want to follow me, T-Rail_785 on Instagram, T-Rail785 on Twitter, and T-Rail on Facebook. I'm verified on all of them.